Hi, today I will briefly introduce Delta DIASelector, which is our industrial automation product selection tool. So first of all, you have to download DIA installer and install DIASelector. After you finish installation, then you can open DIA selector and create a new project. After that, please select the correct region. You may wonder why you need to select the region, because normally Delta product we will release in home market first. After that, we will go worldwide. After you create a new project, then please create a group and then select the application type. Here, I would suggest you keep general purpose application. So as I mentioned, you have to download DIAStudio, and after that, get the software and install DIASelector. After that, you can open DIASelector. So here, you can see normally our DIASelector will keep update the new product inside. So we can see here, and if we have the new library, then you will, when you open the software, you will inform you to update the library of DIASelector. So now we will start to update. And this update might take some time, so I will skip the recording of upgrade. Okay, so today I will just give you an example that we will use a PLC AS218. This PLC have 8 input, 6 output, and 2 analog input and output. The inquiry is 40 input, digital input, 22 output. Okay, and for VSD inverter part, we use MS300, 200 volt single phase, 1.5 kilowatt, 3 unit. Okay, and with a can open communication. For servo, we would use H3 series, also 200 volt, 1 single phase, 400 watt, 2 unit, 750, 1 unit, and motor will use the ECE, H3 low inertia type. And for the power meter and encoder, we use the 3 meter. Okay, so here we have to select the add on the project and then select the area. Okay. After that, add the group. And here we just keep general purpose application. For you can check for motion control, you just dedicate for some field bus. So we use the general purpose will be more completely. As I mentioned, because the inquiry we use the AS200 series. Okay, so here we can see, we can find the spec over here. Then we click and check the property. So you can see this one with 8 input, 6 output, and 2 analog input, 2 analog output. So we select this one. But if you still remember, we need 40 digital input and 22 output. So we need extra 32 input and 16 output. So we can do the hardware configuration. And here we can add on the digital module. So example, we used this to we add this module, and then with the output also NPN 1 unit, so that will make the inquiry complete. Okay, after that we have to back to the VSD part because we need a 3 unit 1.5 kilowatt MS300. Okay, so we want a 1.5 kilowatt, 200 volt single phase. And we don't need any EMI filter. So here you can see we have this MS module, and we just need a general speed, no need high speed. So we have to add on 3 units. Okay, after that, because this one we use a can open communication, so we have to add on the communication card. It's a COP01, so we press OK. After that, we have to add on for another tool, VSD. Okay, then let's go to motion part. For servo drive, we use the A3, 200 volt, single phase, 400 watt, 2 unit, 750, 1 unit. Okay, so we can select the rating, 200 volt single phase with can open. So I change this one to 200 volt single and 3 phase. Then here we need 400 watt 2 unit and 750 1 unit. After that, let's move to servo motor. For servo motor, we use the ECM A3 series. So we need a C2 motor. We use a A3L C2. Okay, this one without brake, so we need 2 unit for. Sorry, I do the wrong selection. It should be 400 watt. I select 200 watt. Okay, so let's move here. We add, C2 motor. So the correct model should be here. 2 unit and 750 1 unit. After that, we also have to select the accessory. So you can see for servo system, we use the encoder cable. So let's select a power cable first. We use the standard 5 meter without brake. $5 without brake. So we have to find this one without brake. So we have to add on 2 or 3 units, and then find the encoder cable. Encoder cable is 5 meter flexible or incremental type. Okay, 5 meters. So here we add on another 3. So that's all for the product selection. After that, we can check the bill of materials. So you can check from here and save the file. Might save to desktop. So that's all for today. Thank you.